ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked on the Weather Xtreme video. I'm ABC 3340 meteorologist Brian Peters with you for this Sunday, March the 9th. I'll see if I can't get my dates correct today. And the first day of daylight savings time. I hope you remembered to bring your clocks forward. Let's go ahead and take a look at some sky cams this morning. Gorgeous view over the Tombigbee River at Demopolis there at the Civic Center. Cool morning, but still a beautiful view. Gadsden, a little bit of fog visible in the valley down there. Oh, man, wouldn't I like to be putting my toes in the sand down at Gulf Shores at the All Suites building. We're looking off to the west with the sun rising behind us. And then a quick view at Coleman and Lake Katoma. That view showing some water in the lake, something we haven't seen much of in the last few months. High pressure over the southeastern U.S. at the surface, and that looks like we're going to have a beautiful day as a result of that. Our trough is now up over New England, and here comes the next one swinging down through the central and north central United States. That should only bring some clouds to us probably Monday night and into early Tuesday morning. Temperatures definitely in the 20s this morning across north and central Alabama. 30 down there at Montgomery, 28 at Anniston, 29 at Birmingham and Calera. So a chilly, chilly morning. But I think that probably is going to be the chilliest morning for several days. The watch warning map shows much less of a mess. Most of those warnings and watches and everything else, advisories for New England, are gradually ending as the system moves off. QPF, no rain for the next several days, but at the end of this period, which this ends Friday, it looks like Thursday, late Thursday and into early Friday, we may see some precipitation. And at least right now, we're looking at perhaps an inch to an inch and a half in the west central part of the state. And then a little bit less in the eastern part. But, of course, as that system swings by, I think we'll get a little more uniform rain than that. Here is the 06Z GFS model run. And we're looking at the 500 millibar pattern, roughly 18 to 20,000 feet, on Monday the 10th. And you can see here comes our trough swinging by. And like I say, I think the atmosphere is going to be too dry down here for us to see more than some clouds. Here's the look at the midday, the 18Z, or this is now 1 o'clock on Monday, the surface chart. So surface high managing to hold sway in there. Surface high moves back in as that trough exits, and you can see maybe just a little drop in temperature with those thicknesses. By Wednesday, surface high settling in over the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. And as that happens, we're seeing a new trough coming out of the Rockies, and that will be affecting us with the front coming through on Thursday night. And let's take an intermediate time. This is midnight, or actually 1 a.m. now on Friday, and the GFS forecasting a surface low. This does not look quite as impressive as far as the possibility of severe weather. So it looks like we may be seeing this trending backward from a threat of severe weather on Thursday night and into Friday morning. By Friday at midday, 1 o'clock, the surface low is up over central North Carolina, and the precipitation is ended over Alabama. By Saturday, the pattern has been flattening out, and we've been seeing that, but we've got little ripples coming through there, and of course there's a sizable trough coming in on the west coast, and that also shows a surface low, but that doesn't seem to do a great deal. And we actually on Sunday the 16th find ourselves between systems, but look at that one that's coming in on the west coast out there, and by Monday, a week from tomorrow, that is presenting itself as a sizable trough, and that is looking more severe weatherish with that surface pattern on Monday the 17th. It looks like we probably would see some severe weather out in the Central Plains and perhaps in this area as that system boogies to the northeast and drags a front through, so at least promising some rain, and of course we can still use that. All right, Voodoo Land really quick. Here's the 23rd around 1 o'clock, another weather system, and this pattern of continuing active thread continues for this month, and that would also mean another front with a low up over the Great Lakes and a front stretching down into this area, and the possibility of another rain event on the 23rd of March. Well, we appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Xtreme video. Certainly hope that you have a great Sunday. James will be back with the next edition of this bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a great Sunday. God bless.
Weather.